Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon. It's breakout bag lunch, and we're finally back on Topstep with another combine attempt. Fortunately, it's not off to an amazing start. We're looking at a loss of $767.40. This was based on two trades on gold, which I will review, and then we will do the retrospective. All right. Where is. I'm just trying to draw 5 minute range. I'm going to draw two lines, represent the high and the low. All right. So, the first trade I took on gold was based on this break of the high, the 5 minute opening range. We had this retest here and then another move up. And if we draw the fib or retracement tool, you'll see that we had a move below the golden ratio, then a move up, but we didn't get the follow through for the bullish trade, and so sold these longs at a loss. By the way, I'm using 5 micro contracts. Second trade was based on VWAP. You had a double bottom here, and this was at the VWAP. I don't have it drawn on the chart. Well, I was using Thinkorswim for the charting, but the VWAP was here, and so once we had the bounce, and once I was looked at the 1 hour chart to see that we were in a bullish overall trend, that made me want to get into a long position, which worked out initially, but then hit my stop loss. As you can see here, we made a new low, and a little before that I got out of the trade. So what are the takeaways for today's trading? I think there are a few takeaways here. One is to just stick to the bracket orders that I've been using in the sim account. The other is making sure I'm sticking to my process. I don't think the trades I took were necessarily bad, but I'll have to actually pay close attention to market structure as well, because we had a high, a lower high, a lower high, a lower high. We had 2 bottoms here, but and I guess a lower high. We had this higher low. Yeah, so I guess market structure was starting to change, but maybe because one thing I noticed was that if you draw the high and the low, not this. Oh yeah, if we draw the high and the low, you'll see that, well, this area here was basically went above the 50% retracement and then went back below it. So if I took a trade based on us going back below this 50% retracement area, that would have been a winning trade. But yeah, I think the overall trend for gold has still up. I think maybe they're just bad trades. I'm not sure, or maybe it's just the market itself. Let's look to the process, at least for the first trade. I think that's what's most important. You might be wondering why I didn't shake a trade on ES, and that's just because we had this strong down move, but not really much of a retest. Might be getting a retest now, but in the earlier hours of trading, we just didn't really have a good entry for a short, so I didn't take any entries here. No trades on ES today, and that's all. Hopefully tomorrow is better. If you have any comments or suggestions, let me know. If you don't, then have a great day. Bye.